I'm back at my dorm and I was editing the video and it just didn't seem to flow because I was having kind of a unlucky day. So it was like everywhere I wanted to go there was somebody there. The road that I normally drive on, there was the fire department up there. I don't know what they were doing, so nothing really seemed to work out and it was all kind of jumbled up. So I'm probably just going to organize it so that there's like slider shots of the car in the beginning, and then just some of the highlights of the driving videos, if you want to call it that. And I'll have to do a different, like a video kind of like this another time. I'll probably do it somewhere else other than where I live, so I could find better spots to drive and better spots to take pictures, so I can talk about the car a little bit more and do all that stuff. So sorry for the kind of confusing video, but I hope this clears it up and I hope you enjoy. So I'm back at this other spot and I'm going to do some slider shots of the car now that there's nobody around to judge me. So let's get to it. Cue the slider shots. Take a cruise up this road, nice and slow, scope it out, and hopefully there's not people on their lunch break over here. It's not really lunchtime, so it shouldn't matter, but I like to just cruise up this road, make sure there's no bicyclists and stuff. Just cruise up slowly, nice view. Like that. This car has incredibly sensitive steering. Oh. Very sensitive steering. I like barely turn the wheel and it goes around these corners. It's so nice. And it's kind of impressive for an old car because I've driven new cars that didn't have as good a steering as this car does. And I mean, oh, there's a fire department up there. Isn't that just they're doing. So let's get out of here. Just gonna let the guy in front of me get some distance. Oh my gosh, that suspension rebuild just turned this car into like a whole new animal. That turns in so hard, and there's like virtually no body roll at all. That is, oh man, that's just impressive. I'm loving this. This is sick. So now I'll probably just go down a different road. Nothing's working out today, you know. My photos aren't working out. There's always people somewhere. I don't know. I'll probably just cruise around, you know, drive it a little bit, see if I can find another photo spot, and then I might just end up going somewhere where, I don't know, nothing too spectacular, you know. And my car's probably all dirty because I drove in the dirt. I hope you guys enjoyed the slider shots, the driving videos, and all that good stuff. There's more videos to come with driving the Corvette, so stay tuned for those. Subscribe so that you can check in on those, hit the bell icon, all that good stuff. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you